people like Harish, or probably Kiran, Venkat, me, Sadia, anybody can walk into your classroom at any time. We will sit there for 40 minutes. And believe me, if Harish comes back to me and tells me, ex-teacher in one Y school in Nizamabad is not actually delivering, is not actually completing the lesson plan, teacher is not checking whether the children are understanding, the teacher is not correcting the notebooks, the teacher is not correcting the assessment sheets, the teacher is beating the children, the teacher is insulting the children, the teacher is not showing the love and the care which is supposed to be shown to the teacher. Believe me, then you will actually see who he is. I will not report this matter to anybody. I'll walk straight into your class and I'll ask you to please get out of the class. उसके बाद मुझे कोई बाहर कर देते, I am not bothered. If somebody tells me, why did you tell my teacher to get out? उन्हें मुझे get out बोले तो I'll just get out, I'll sit in the car and go back. You don't train teachers of terrorists. We don't want Mumbai sir. आप बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. No problem. What is more important for me is, or for direct opinion team, or to the terrorist team, what is more important is, I don't want. In fact, we don't want. What you have been doing in the past, and if the children are loving you, you will get a double appreciation from me. You are not able to sort out a child's issue. The child is giving you a problem in the class, discipline problem hai. I will come to your class and sort out the discipline issue. Yeah, I may not come immediately, but I'll make sure that I come to you. If I get to know that one school where their boys are creating a lot of problem, I will come and talk to the boys and settle the boys in one day. Or I'll send somebody to sort out the issue. So what you want from us, the entire team, you can, if you want 10%, we will give you 20%. If Harish is not supporting you, you can just give a call, you can mail me. I will know how to deal with Harish. And I'll tell you one thing. Harish, या Venkat, या Sricharan, या Lubna, या बाकी के जितने coordinators हैं, I will tell you, right from day one, probably when Temperance was started, और when Chief Minister साहब जो Temperance की establishment की जब बात की है, because it is a good work, it is a good work which is going to help the community. Support came from all the sides. You are all been teaching from past many years. How many of you are teaching for the past 2-3 years? Raise your hand, please. प्राइवेट स्कूल्स में भी काम किए होंगे आप, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में भी काम किए होंगे. कभी आपके जो स्कूल्स में एक ही साल पहले साल में इतने एडमिशंस देखे आप? एनीबॉडी? नहीं. ग्लेंडेल एकेडमी इज अ रिसोर्ट से भी ज्यादा है. वहां पे पहले साल में 32 बच्चे. मैं तकरीबन 45 स्कूल्स मॉनिटर करता हूँ. आई मैनेज अबाउट 45 स्कूल्स ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. I have my own school which I just started this year in June 2016 in a very small village of the coastal region of Andhra Pradesh. That is a place called near Guntur, Bapatla के पास छोटा गाँव है. I started a school there to help those village people. I have only 15 students in a big campus. I spent about 2 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees on advertisement and I got only 15 students. I got 3 teachers teaching 3 classes. The fees which I got was not sufficient for even 1 month. Salaries and the rent and other facilities. So 10 months I am paying from my pocket to those teachers. So first year admissions I have seen in schools where there are 30 to 50 to 60 admissions, and Temperance has got almost about 120 to 240 students in each school. Yes? And how did this happen in 2 months? April 14th when we had a meeting, now there was no building, there was no student. April 14th or 13th, exact date मुझे याद नहीं है. Though in 2 days we all were sitting in one of our common tourism place in Hyderabad. Latif Saab, me, Ejaz Saab, Vicky Khan Saab, Shafiullah Saab, MS Education ke Misbah Saab, all of us sitting there and discussing how Temeris has to be set up. What curriculum, enrollment kaise honge, infrastructure kaisa hoga, management of Temeris, ideas चाहते थे, ideas देने के लिए तो हजारों भाग गया. We also went, we were invited, we gave ideas. Not one building, not one student. And June 15th, June end, 12,000 students. How did this happen? This happened because this was a good work, and whenever there is a good work, there is one who is supporting it, and that is the Creator. The Creator supported this cause, and that is why you have 12,000 students. So when He is there, and from there the supporting started, and when I was given the responsibility, my team was given the responsibility to manage academics in Temeris schools. I didn't have anybody. I didn't have Harish, I didn't have Sri Charul, I didn't have Venkat. My team was in Bangalore, and in Hyderabad I only had Sadia, because my major work is in Karnataka, and some schools in Hyderabad where we didn't wanted coordinators. And again, the Creator supported me. I got 12 of them, and all 12 of them are somebody whom I can trust. And I can say Sri Charan, Harish can manage without my support. Kiran can manage without my support. So it is his support that I've got people like them to support you. So, ये लोग गलती करेंगे. Yes, we are humans. We might make mistakes. So when you bring back those mistakes to us, we will try to rectify it. We will give you the best material. We will give you the support. We will give you the question papers. You don't have to set the question papers also. Teachers who have been teaching, you are all B.Eds. A teacher is supposed to write a lesson. You are supposed to make an analysis of the results. You are not doing it. If children are not learning remedial program prepare karna hai, you are not preparing remedial program also. Then what are you doing? Doing analysis of the results. Then what are you doing? 70% of your work. You are supposed to do only 30% of the work. You don't get sitting in the class and coming out of the class. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to do anything else. If you can love your children, whatever you teach to them, they will not learn because they don't like you. If you like somebody, somebody else will like you. If you are not liking somebody, the thing is, how many of you like yourself? How many of you like fasting? कभी भी पूछें कि आप लोगों से प्यार मोहब्बत करते हैं, लोगों से बातचीत करते हैं, लोगों से मिलजुल के रहते हैं. This is a question which is being normally asked. I am asking you a different question. How many of you love yourself? Saying, I don't see your hands at all. Huh? I don't see your hands at all. We'll do a small exercise. Then I'll understand how much you love yourself. Right? You have your notepad? I have the pass? Okay. In your notepad, each one, when I come to you, you will have to give me a number between 1 and 10.
6, 9, 5, 7,
9, 4, 8, 7. Why are you alone? You can also do it. You can also write, what is the number you told? 7, write 7. 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 8, 4, 6, 7, 2, 5. Okay. You remember your numbers?
Yes.
Now, जो number आप बोले हैं, you will have to write. We are testing how much you know yourself. That means how much you love yourself. Now what you will do is, you will write whatever number you have written. If you have written 3, you will write 3 qualities of yours. Right? So, when I ask you to select a number, right, you should think, should I think a small number or a big number? Big number selection is good because you are ambitious. So now you write down 9 qualities. Quickly, 9 qualities. 9 qualities. Those who have written can raise your hand, please. If you have written, almost. No, your own qualities. Please don't write qualities which somebody has told you. Your father might have told you, my daughter is an intelligent girl. Don't write that. Or your wife would have told you, my husband is a smart person. You write that. If you know you are intelligent, you write that. माँ बाप या अपने बच्चे या अपने रिश्तेदार कभी कभी लाड प्यार करने के लिए बोलते हैं कि my son is a smart son, right? If you are really smart, please write. If somebody is going to ask me, I will say I am smart. I am very confident. I will say I am very smart. I will tell you why I am telling you I am smart. लिख लिया आपने? You are a person who will gel with anybody. You are a social person. You are very focused in life. Very good. Sit down. आप बोलिए मैम.
बच्चों से दोस्ताना माहौल.
Okay.
सबसे नफरत.
This is झूठ से नफरत is not a quality. Punctuality.
खुशगवार माहौल.
खुशगवार माहौल. That is you love an environment which is always gives happiness. Right? Then अच्छा दो बोल दिया. Very good. Madam. Prasunna. हाँ. You are a good communicator. Okay. You have helping nature. Very good. You are very talented. You are only talented. I am asking you only. Prasunna, I remember you.
My name is Karin Chavana. My qualities are hard work, self-confidence, helping nature, patience, punctuality.
Punctual. Very good. Gentleman.
My name is Wahid.
Wahid sir.
Three qualities are hardworking, discipline-minded, punctual.
Punctuality. Okay.
My name is Dhananjay. I always think big.
Think big. Okay.
I like the way I teach.
You like the way you teach. Okay.
I love nature.
You love nature.
I avoid hard working.
You avoid hard working.
I love smart working.
Now,
I have a very high level of confidence. I have leadership qualities.
I would love to become the. I want you to give me one word. That quality of yours. वो बोलिए.
ये पूरे qualities
नहीं, qualities नहीं हो सकता. Loving nature is not a quality. Loving nature is you love something. Quality is वे अभी जो teachers बोले, honesty, punctuality, hard working, patience. हाँ, smart working is one I accept. और एक भी पहले बोले आप कुछ, वो भी ठीक था. Think big also is a quality. You want to do big things in life, right? That is also a quality. I love nature is not a quality. What you can say is, I would love to share ideas. This is nature's connection. ठीक है? और बोलिए. हाँ, leadership. I am a good leader. I'll take 3. ठीक है? बाकी के 2 को rectify कर लीजिए.
I'm Sheikh Saru.
Yes.
I'm very humble to all the friends.
Humbleness.
I like to be positive all the time.
You are positive. One word में बोलिए. हाँ.
I mingle with the people.
You are a person who will mingle.
I have good communication skills.
You have a communication skill.
I'm a hardworking guy.
You are a hardworking.
I like smart work.
You like smart. 7 थे आपके. नंबर आपका क्या था?
800.
1 तो एक और बोलना है.
700.
7 या 8. Okay. आपको 7 याद है. अर्चना जी बोलिए.
मैं बच्चों के साथ बच्चे अपना है समझकर चलती हूँ और उनसे प्यार से रहती हूँ और सब लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. मुझे बच्चे मुझे पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि मैं उनके साथ मिलकर रहती हूँ. जैसे टीचर के वैसा नहीं.
मुझे एक ही वर्ड में बताइए क्वालिटी.
मुझे सब लोग अच्छे लगते हैं और सबकी सहायता करना चाहती हूँ.
तो वर्ड यहाँ सहायता है. You are a helping person. Next. Creative writer. Okay.
We are good teaching.
We are good teaching.
Understand to the students.
Huh?
Easy to understand to the students.
You understand children well. Okay.
Good communication skills.
Good communication skill. Punctual.
I love children with friendship.
You are a person who love friends. Okay.
Sometimes father and sometimes brother.
No. Just give me one word.
Sometimes
One word. What's the word?
sometimes
Helping.
father and brother and friends.
Okay. అంటే ఫాదర్ బ్రదర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ని హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు, వేరే ఎవరిని హెల్ప్ చేయరా? నెక్స్ట్
Share if any doubts.
షేర్. తెలుగులో చెప్పండి, మీరు తెలుగు టీచర్ కదా, చెప్పండి. లాస్ట్ చెప్పండి, ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్పండి.
And self-confidence and any doubts in the class.
Okay. So you have given me qualities like hard work, punctuality, patience. You have given me that you are friendly, you mingle with everybody, you have leadership qualities, you have what somebody had used another word, positive. कुछ नई चीज है जो बोलना चाहता है? Yes. 1 second, I'll come back. हाँ. Yes. Very good. Sit down. She has got a quality which she says, I love. Yes. Yes, Hafiz. Punctuality. Hardworking. You are a friendly person. Sit down. So she said love. Anybody else? नया वर्ड, नई चीज जो क्वालिटी आपके अंदर है?
My name is Balaji. Pelareddy. Share to my ideas, new ideas.
You are a person who will share.
Share to
Okay.
ideas, my opinions.
Okay.
Next one, my discipline.
You are a disciplined guy. Okay.
And timetable, maintaining timetable.
You are a punctual person. Sit down. You don't have this quality of love in you. I agree, men are a little stone-hearted, little tough. But a woman cannot tell me, a girl cannot tell me, a mother cannot tell me that I don't have the quality of love in me. Huh?
I said the point, sir. I'm very humble to all the living beings.
Humbleness is different.
No, it's a symptom of love.
No, it cannot. Love is love. Right? That is not there in you. We can hear. Mohabbat. We can hear. Quality. Did you write love? No. This side, did you write love? I'm asking the females. Love. No. 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 Most of you are all mothers. Right? Except only 1 or 2 who are yet to get married. All are married and you have children, right? You don't love your children? Then where is the love gone? Love is a quality. And this qualities come to you by birth when you are not sharing it. Right? I'll come back on my cue. I am stressing on love. जितनी qualities आपको पता है, ये qualities होना जरूरी है. This is very important for a teacher. But on all top of this, that 4-letter word, L-O-V-E, love, is very, very important. I'll tell you why it is important. I'll show you a video, but before that, sir wants to say something. I'll give the mic to him.
Well, the girls or boys are coming from various villages and various towns and everything by leaving their teeth and dream. So, these are the residents, sir. You have told so many things, sir, but people have accept. Except Archana, one thing she has told, that is this hospitality. No. So, for delivering anything to any about a person, any entrepreneur, we have to maintain 3 things. First of all, in this relation, what is this? Sympathy. This is called love. This is also, it is a love. Then afterwards, hospitality. Because these are residential schools, we have to exhibit what is the hospitality towards these inmates, boarders, and students. Then afterwards, empathy. What the students, what the boarders want, what they want to achieve. If something, they are wanting something. वो किसी रास्ते पे जा रहा है, लेकिन हम उसको जबरदस्ती इसी रास्ते पे लगा. That is not equality. Okay? That is not equality. ఆయన వడ్రంగి పని చేస్తానంటాడు, మనం ఏదో సైన్స్ దగ్గర కూర్చోం. We never come together. We have to empathize to him. Then after all, preparedness. Preparedness is must and should for every teacher. And what is delivery mission? तो मैं समझता हूँ कि मैं बहुत बड़ी डिग्री हासिल कर लिया हूँ, मैं मुझे सब आता है, मैं आई कैन डू. नहीं तो ये सब अब कल ही मैं शाम में जो है सो पीरियड में पढ़ाया हूँ, आज क्या नहीं देखने के लिए। The greatest must be there. You might have taken this class in yesterday's evening session, but again you are having the same class again. You must go at least 15 to 20 minutes for the subject before delivering. These are diligent. We have to. So many persons have forgotten that these are the main and qualities of a teacher, of a lecturer, whatever he is going to deliver. Thank you very much. उसका फादर आता, मदर आता है, एक गिलास पानी देंगे, एक थोड़ा सा कुर्सी ऑफर करेंगे, तो बैठ जाएंगे। आज भी इतने सब है मतलब तो हमको वो जब कहीं जो है सो पहचानेगा, हमारी बातों को जो है सो समझ पाएगा, कोई भी हो, बच्चा हो या उनका वृद्ध हो। तो ये चीजें जो है सो हर एक उम्र, हर एक दिन के टीचर के लिए और जरूरी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंपैथी, उसके बाद हॉस्पिटल, थोड़ा कहते ये हॉस्टल है, अच्छा है बेटा यहाँ है, थोड़ा सा नर्वस है, थोड़ा हाँ क्या क्या चाहिए, वो नहीं है काफी, अभी दिलाएंगे, ठीक, अभी नहीं दिला सकते, अभी भी दिलाएंगे तो अभी तो दिला सकते, शाम में दिलाएंगे या कल दिला सकते हैं, लेकिन हम जब से हॉस्पिटैलिटी से बात करें, एम्पैथी, वो क्या चाहता है, वो क्या चाहता है, हम उसका पॉजिटिव में डिलीवर करें। वी शुड नॉट गो नेगेटिवली। वो चाहता है, वो चाहे तो हम 100% उसको नहीं डिलीवर कर सकते, नो आई नो यू नो, लेकिन एम्पैथी क्या चाहता है वो, इन नेवर कम। सो लाइकवाइज इसीलिए जो है सो प्रिपेयर्डनेस भी होना चाहिए। आप चाहे कितने क्लास लो, एक क्लास में आप जा रहे हैं 5-10 मिनट जस्ट गो थ्रू द सब्जेक्ट अगेन एंड अगेन डेली, हम कुछ उनको बोल सकते हैं। इसीलिए कि ये समाज है, ये समाज में हर व्यक्ति, हर शब्द जब आता है तो क्या करती है दुनिया में, हमारी अच्छाई से ये दुनिया खुश होती है। अतने ఏం చేస్తారు, ఒక పిల్లాడు పుట్టాడు, ఒక అమ్మాయి పుట్టింది, చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ అమ్మాలక్కలు ఏం చేస్తారు, एक बच्ची पैदा हुई है अभी हॉस्पिटल में, वार्ड में है, अभी लेबर रूम में, बच्ची खूबसूरत बच्ची है, खूबसूरत बच्चा है, एतराफ के लोग क्या बोलते, क्या करते, बहुत अच्छा है बोलते, रोज खुश होते, खुश होते, या सबको मिठाई खिलाते, चॉकलेट देते, खुश रहते। वही बच्चा, वही बच्ची gradually with the help of so many persons in the society will become something. Some teacher Archana, some teacher so and so, some Usman Ali, some Sar, I don't know.
Sometimes I scare you a little, thoda डरा भी देता हूँ, because we have forgotten the purpose of our life. The purpose of our life is, I am not pointing it to one religion, but I am pointing it to a general humanity. But are we getting our one-time meal per day? Everybody? Anybody here who is not getting one meal? But there are people on the earth who don't get even that. Are we caring for them? Fine, we cannot go in search of these people and feed them. But the God has given us knowledge. Did anybody यहाँ पे कोई भी है जो जबरदस्ती एजाज साहब या लतीफ साहब पकड़ के लाके बोले कि पढ़ा? Anybody? Self interest. You have all come by choice. You haven't come by chance. You have come by choice. Now, if you have come by choice, we all know we are answerable one day, right? We believe in that. That we will die. We will go back to the Creator. What did you do with that health? Means you were fit enough to run around and help people, to teach people. Did you do that? You wasted the health which I gave you. I gave you wealth. Where did you spend? I gave you talent. Somebody said I got talent. Who said I got talent? I have talent. He's given you talent. What did you do with the talent? I'm not asking. The Creator will ask you tomorrow, what did you do with the talent which has been given to you? 3 things over. 4th, time. I've given you 50 years, 60 years. What did you do with the time? Did you use it for the society? Yeah, you will have to use it for yourself, you use it for your parents, you use it for your family, you use it for your society. Did you use it for all these things, or you were selfish to do it only for yourself? And you know what is the last one? My favorite one. Opportunity. I gave you opportunity. What did you do with that opportunity? You taught them dishonesty. You taught them no time management, no hard work. You were not hard working. Children copied the hard working. करते हैं बच्चे? Will they copy? Somebody कोई फोन किए जिनसे बात नहीं करना है, किसी वजह से बात नहीं करना है, अब फोन उठा के बात करें तो प्रॉब्लम. What do we do? Do we do this? Do we do this? We do it. आप नहीं करते होंगे, but majority of them do it. So the child will think, Papa is standing in front of me and telling me to tell a lie. That means झूठ बोलना जायज. You know how we are teaching lies to the children. So role model is important. I'll finish one small story and then we will go to the principles of teaching. Right? There was a boy in a school. This boy was a very shy-natured boy. He didn't want to go and meet people. He didn't want to play with his own group of students. उस बच्चे की उम्र के बच्चों के साथ भी नहीं खेलता. And when teacher was asking questions, this boy used to never get up and answer. He used to write the answer on a piece of paper and give it to the teacher. No confidence at all. Parents used to send this boy out to play because the father was worried. This boy doesn't mingle, this boy doesn't have friends, this boy doesn't go anywhere. बड़ा होने के बाद he'll have a problem. He used to push this boy out of the house to go and play. The boy used to sit on the stairs. घर के सीढ़ियों पे बैठ के he used to watch all the boys and girls in the street playing. 1 hour, 1.5 hour के बाद he used to put some mud on the dress, हाथ पैर जरा गंदे कर लेके, मिट्टी कर लेके. He used to go back into the house and said, I played and came. This is the story of a boy who grew up like this. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि what would this boy would have become after 25-30 years? A boy who never had a confidence, a boy who never knew how to speak, a boy who started speaking at the age of 2 years. Mothers, you have a child? You have a child? What age does a boy or a girl speak when they are small? At what age does the children start speaking? 13 to 14 months, yes, that is 1.5 years. This is the age when children start speaking. All mothers agree? Fathers also know that. Now this boy started speaking only after 2 years. Now tell me what would have happened to this boy? What would have he become? अगर आज वो बच्चा उस जमाने में वैसा था, तो आज की दुनिया में, आज के जमाने में जो कहानी बोला जो बच्चे की, वो बच्चा आज क्या कर रहा है? इस तरीके का अगर बचपन गुजरा है उस बच्चे के साथ, तो बच्चा आज क्या कर रहा हो? हाँ? He is not doing any work. He says he cannot do any work. He is not stable in life. Staying alone. He may become anything. Yes. His guess is he may become anything. Huh? He must have achieved. But what he could have become? Good communicator. He was not able to talk at all. Negative feeling of the society करते. He would not be a good communicator. He was not able to talk. Huh? No, he started speaking after 2 years. He improved. Very good, positive thought है. और कोई guesses?
Should have become some great person.
He would have become a great person. I don't know.
Like Einstein.
Like Einstein.
Britain Church, Prime Minister Churchill, he started from 2 years.
Same thing, Edison also did.
Yeah, okay. Might be. But Einstein also a teacher. What? Okay. Teacher की वजह से you would have improved his communication. Okay. Now I tell you what this boy is doing. You want to know what this boy is doing? Huh? You want to know what this boy is doing? A boy who was not able to speak till 2 years. A boy who didn't have the confidence even in grade 7 to stand up and answer to the teacher. The boy who never had friends. In the college, the boys had only 2 girls in the classroom and only 2 girlfriends, but he never spoke to these 2 girls. This boy is standing in front of us. This boy is standing in front of you. I was talking about the boy, and that boy is me. That is my story. And you know how I changed? She is right. The person who changed me was my teacher, who pushed me in grade 7 when we were passing out in grade 7. We were doing an annual day program. The teacher said, I was only called as Asad, I was not called as Umri. Asad, if you don't do this today, you will never be able to get onto the stage in life. She said, you don't have to do anything, you just have to go and stand on the stage, that's all. But you will have to by heart the dialogues, because if you don't know the dialogues, you cannot stand there. She dressed me up like a king. I actually played a role of King Lear. English teachers, Shakespeare's King Lear drama, who's got 3 daughters. King Lear Banake, they put me on. I was given a complete king. She started her own school in my engineering colleges. Engineering college का जो time है, it starts, exams get over in April and May, June, July, August, September छुट्टियाँ रहती हैं. School की छुट्टियाँ अलग, engineering college की छुट्टियाँ अलग. She started a school. I was very fond of that teacher. I used to go to the school. My handwriting, I have a beautiful handwriting. I used to sit and write to the office. The school was running, a small school. One day a teacher didn't come. June शुरू हो गया, teacher नहीं है. She said, Umri, Asad, I am not got a science teacher. You are doing engineering. Go and teach science in grade 4. I said, ma'am, teaching, never in life. Meaning I won't teach students. 8 minutes I may not be able to stand for 1 minute. She dragged me out. Literally she pulled me out. She pushed me into the classroom. She locked the door from outside. She went away. 40 minutes I was in the class with the children. That is how I started. That is how I became a teacher. I was forced into this. I didn't come by choice. But today, I cannot do anything else than this. And I don't want to do anything else than this.
Okay. Na peru Umri. I am the CEO for Direct Opinion Consultancy. ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ ద్వారా మనం టెంబ్రిస్ స్కూల్స్లో అన్ని స్కూల్స్లో 71 స్కూల్స్లో టీచర్స్ ట్రైనింగ్, టీచర్స్కి లెసన్ ప్లాన్ క్రియేషన్, లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఫర్ చిల్డ్రన్, లైఫ్ స్కిల్ గురించి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ డిజైన్ చేసి ప్లాన్ చేసి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని స్కూల్స్కి అందించి టీచర్స్ని ట్రైన్ చేసి టీచర్స్ ద్వారా పిల్లల్ని ఎలా చదివించాలా, ఎలా పిల్లల్ని పాఠాలు చెప్పాలా అనేది వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ అక్రాస్ ద స్టేట్. సో ఈ ఒక అవకాశంలో నేను చెప్పగలిగింది ఏంటంటే ఐ థింక్ ఐ షుడ్ థ్యాంక్ ఆర్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ కేసీఆర్ కే చంద్రశేఖర్ రావు గారు. ఎందుకంటే అన్ని స్టేట్స్లో మనం పనిచేస్తాం, కానీ ఇలాంటి ఒక ఇనిషియేటివ్ కానీ పిల్లలకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్తో పాటు ఫ్రీ రెసిడెన్షియల్ అకామిడేషన్లో కూడా హై క్వాలిటీ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ పిల్లలకి అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు ఆల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఇస్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి ఐ థింక్ ఇది ఒక పెద్ద ఇనిషియేటివ్. ఐ థింక్ ద ఎంటైర్ స్టేట్ హ్యాస్ టు రియలీ థ్యాంక్ ది చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ద ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ ఆఫ్ టెంబ్రిస్. సొసైటీలో ఉన్న మేనేజ్మెంట్ పీపుల్లో ఏకే ఖాన్ గారు కానీ, ఉమర్ జలీల్ సాబ్ కానీ, ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్స్ కానీ, అలా వాళ్ళు కాక వేరే వాళ్ళు ఒక్కొక్క మనిషి హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ వర్క్ ఫర్ దిస్ బ్యాక్ హ్యాండ్లో స్కూల్ టీచర్స్, స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ వీళ్ళందరూ ప్రయత్నించి దీన్ని స్థాపించారు. I think this is a big initiative and I think we should thank and అందరూ ప్రోత్సహించి అందరూ సహకరిస్తే ఈ పిల్లల్ని మంచి పాఠాలు చెప్పి మంచి మనుషులను చేసి గ్లోబల్ మార్కెట్లో సొసైటీలో when they go back I think they'll serve back the society. Thank you. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్స్ ఎన్ని స్కూల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఎక్కడెక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ నా దగ్గర లేదు. మీరు ప్రిన్సిపల్ కానీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ హెడ్స్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. నేను విన్నట్టుంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ అరౌండ్ 89 మోర్ స్కూల్స్ వస్తున్నాయని విన్నాను అంతే. బట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్ మీరు వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఎన్ని స్కూల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఎక్కడెక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి, అది ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఉంటుంది.